Did you put a hat on, Ben? Did you put a hat on, Ben? You put the hat on him?
Light.
It is a light. What happened to Ben? Where's Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could.
There he is, peekaboo.
I could.
You got him?
Hat?
You got your hat on?
Oh.
Whoa, it's on Ben.
I could.
You got it?
Wait. I
Okay, you want Mama to wear it?
could.
Mama's got the hat on?
Hat. Cake.
You want to put it on Jake? Now Jake's got a hat on. You
I guess.
got the hat?
Hat.
You're sharing with Ben?
I could.
Thank you. Good sharing.